thanks to Peter and Josh Paraman in Lurkers Lounge. I appreciate your membership. Thank you so much for your continued support, friend. American 45, now this is not Air France, but it's a flight from Paris. 7 hours, 19 minutes of flight time. A 777-200, this one's powered by Rolls-Royce Trent 800.